Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, March 26th and 27th, 2016. For your Saturday, we're expecting mostly sunny skies with high pressure and control. It's going to be sitting just due off to our north, but this is going to provide some very nice weather here for Saturday and Sunday, too. Sunday we'll have an increase in clouds toward the end of the day, but I do think we're going to have a rain-free weekend for the most part across our entire coverage area. And of course, today will be Saturday will be the cooler of the 2 days, but only by a degree or two, maybe three. So we're talking about temperatures are still going to be above normal for this time of year on Saturday, getting up into the 60s here on Sunday. And again, we do think there's a system that's going to be kind of lurking nearby. We have an increase in clouds on Saturday night, just because this system here is going to be close enough to give us a little bit of clouds across our coverage area, especially in those areas I circled. Maybe even a shower down here in Delaware, but that's about it. And then that moves out of here. I do think we have, again, a partly cloudy day here on Sunday, and then on Sunday night with clouds increase. And we have this opportunity for showers that'll move in probably well after midnight from west to east. And that's with this area low pressure moving again up to our north, has a cold front associated with it that's going to bring in some rain. Now this is going to be primarily just a Monday morning deal, kind of very similar to what happened Thursday night into Friday, and where we had the showers just in the morning, and that's it. I think it's going to be a very similar idea, because then after that, after this system pulls away up into New England, we start getting drying into here later here on Monday. So I don't think it's an all-day event on Monday at all. I think it gets out of here pretty quickly. Then high pressure moves back in again on Tuesday and Wednesday. Should have some pretty nice days here, sitting right over top of us Tuesday night and Wednesday. And then that high pressure is going to move off the coast. So we're going to get a warm day here, warm surge of air come in here again on Thursday after being cooler on Tuesday. Tuesday, I think next week is going to be the coolest day of this entire stretch, where we're going to have temperatures just getting back to near normal for this time of year. Not below normal. Looks like it's going to be near normal, but every day after that, we're above normal. And especially here on Thursday, once we get to Thursday, it does look like we're going to have, with high pressure in that ideal position, having some warmth ahead of this rain coming in. This will come in later on Thursday, it looks like. And again, this just looks like a frontal boundary bringing rain. Could be an area of low pressure forming along this boundary. It could bring a second wave here on April 1st. We'll see how that pans out. But right now, this is there's no concerns here for snow, unlike what we were talking about in last weekend's video with the opportunity for snow for South Jersey. There is no snow associated with any of these. These are all rainstorms. And then this is the April 1st deal. Beyond this, it's going to get quite cold, we think. At least cold for April standards. We're going to have temperatures that are going to be backing down once this system clears. Temperatures are going to be surging behind this frontal boundary that's coming through right around April 2nd, April 3rd. Right behind that, it's going to have some. We're going to have some pretty cold air for April standards, but not cold like you would expect in January. We're talking about temperatures that'll be stuck in the 40s for highs, which is certainly below normal for this time of year, but nothing over the top cold like you would expect in winter. We're not talking about snow right now, so don't get excited yet. This is just a cold surge pattern change type thing. I do think it stays below normal much of April, though. We released our long range outlook on Friday night. It's the weekly public update did indicate, just like our spring outlook, that April will be a below normal month overall. So we'll have to keep an eye on that too. Keep that in the back of your mind. We're expecting below normal April and May in our spring outlook, and it looks like April is going to start off that way and be a little bit different than you've seen in March, where we had these above normal temperatures, or at least the stretches. We had some very, very warm air. Don't think we're going to get too much of that in the month of April. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and then as your outlook for the weekend, March 26th and 27th, 2016. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.